This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TurboTax Premier. First, let's get you started. TurboTax Premier is ideal for investors, rental property owners, and those with trust income. Before you dive in, make sure you have all your investment statements, rental income and expense records, and any other relevant tax documents ready. The software allows for easy data import from many financial institutions, saving you valuable time and reducing potential errors. Next, we'll focus on entering your income and maximizing deductions. TurboTax Premier simplifies reporting investment income, guiding you through entering details from Form 1099B, 1099 Div, and 1099 Int. For rental property owners, it helps you identify and claim all eligible deductions, from mortgage interest to repairs. If you're self-employed, the program assists in categorizing your income and expenses, ensuring you don't miss out on any valuable write-offs. Once your data is entered, it's crucial to review everything thoroughly. TurboTax Premier includes a comprehensive error check feature that scans your return for potential mistakes and missed deductions, helping ensure accuracy. You'll then choose your filing method: secure e-filing for a faster process, or printing and mailing your return. After filing, the program provides tools to track your refund or confirm your payment, keeping you informed every step of the way. Finally, let's look at some advanced tips and resources. TurboTax Premier offers tools for tax planning, helping you make informed decisions for the upcoming year to potentially reduce your tax liability. If you encounter a particularly complex situation, you can access on-demand expert help directly within the software. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying organized and utilizing these features can make your tax experience much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.